Kamiti ya watho na kioto mbungene ya kaunti ya MERU muthenya Jwanarua niyezanite riboti yayo kiri mbunge ugukonia guchumiria kwa DG MUTUMA ntwithingia mbere ya kamiti ukenda guchokia biuria bia kuinyirika kwawe thirikari-ini ya kawira. Riboti ira itarirwe ni mukariri giti Gacheri Muthuri ni ugite mbundi ya wandikani aja MERU nitaka etunyima inyajayo na nkuruki kwendekithia maabisa ba thirikari baria baregere buru gwitika ntwithingia kuchokwa kinya kiri UBICI yawe na mutethereria wawe kwamukira muchara uria kubatara. Muthuri Muruki katumenyithitio
nyume kamiti ya kioto na watho kwithitite maabisa mwanya mwanya ndene kaunti ya MERU kuja bachoke biuria arinya munini wa gavana na kinya mbundi wandika ndene kaunti ya MERU ni amena minister ulitimo mingine ndene kaunti ya MERU na mdonya narua kamiti iji nitithi ripoti yao nethwe kendekithia mendekithia mwanya mwanya bwa mbere ni munini wa gavana achokirio UBICI yawe
ni ati ibonere deputy governor na ombere kurito ofisi newe aigwa nangi nara kutikumba nya ku accommodate office ya deputy governor so batu as a committee na kinya nyumba eme KUJUKIRUA nyumba yonthe nere sheria bagi ntuku mwanja chia deputy governor achoke ofisi newe ira legally mandated abati kuthia operataira unende ke recommendation number 5 ya wa deputy governor achoke ofisi newe irabati kuthia yopa
wajairi potaba kiugo jukumenya mutongiri wandiko ofisi na bangabana na mbundi wandika ndene kaunti ya MERU.
The MERU County Public Service Board do direct the reinstatement of one Patrick Nkonga and Paul Kamati as the personal assistant of the senior driver respectively under their previous contract terms and ensure their personnel enrollments and entitlements for the period that they have been removed from the payroll are paid within a month from when this report is adopted by the County Assembly. Number 3, that the County Public Service Board is hereby directed to immediately desist from delegating the appointing authority to the officers who are not stipulated in the Section 86(1) of the County Government Act 2012. Number 4, the County Public Service Board commences disciplinary action against the Chief of Staff for issuing acknowledgement letters of non-existent resignation letters pursuant to Section 54 F of the County Government Act 2012.
Amana bubu kuna maabisa mwanya mwanya ndene kaunti ya MERU parabake thoba KUJUKIRUA matagaria
antuba witwa governor yawe Kawira Mwangaza, CEO finance yawe Kathono, county secretary Kiambiathero, the chief of staff na fleet manager in violation of Article 195 of the Constitution together with sections 18 and 22 of the County Assembly's powers and privileges. And therefore, committee recommended na imanto ya kulukwa ya uye sheria recommended that antoba ibayokirwe sheria nondo ibaunete sheria nyingi sana ibayokirwe sheria nondo ibaunete kinya Article 75 ya Constitution emanto ya conduct of state officers.
Akumania ripoti nandi MC ndene kaunti ya MERU betho bagita ukebwa kulingana ripoti hii.
Mr. Speaker, I want to say that a cabinet meeting in this county is not anyone's birthday party or a dowry payment function, so that now you can choose who to invite or who not to invite, when the Constitution said very clearly, and the laws of this land, who should be members of that Constitution.
So, Mr. Speaker, I want to say that our county has a serious problem,
whereby personal differences are spreading all the way to affect the service delivery because of the relationships, and the law clearly puts how people should be able to relate or to work.
The allegations that a deputy governor and submitting to this assembly, the governor could come and state if it is true or wrong. That is what we could judge this governor with. Bearing in mind that she didn't appear before this committee, it means that all what the deputy governor Reverend Mutuma Ntwithinkia accused this government is true to...
Kwanza nitafinya kieleweke. This is someone who was ready to finya the deputy governor up to the end, were not for the intervention of this house.
Honorable DMK, anafinya wapi?
Mr. Speaker, I don't know where the governor is intending to finya the deputy governor, but she knows best where she is planning to finya him.
I think it is in the best interest of this assembly that you enforce all that has been bestowed on you.
Ngiripotera World TV, Betambu Murioki.